Welcome to Phonics Unit 31, Day 1. This is the final phonics unit for first grade. We're going to begin by listening for sounds that you hear in these words. How many? So this is a comb. How many sounds do you hear in comb? K, O, M. I only hear 3. What about calf? Calf. Rhino. How many sounds do you hear in rhino? Castle. Castle. Knot. Knot. And wren. This type of bird is a wren. We're going to be learning about words that have silent letters in them. These are pretty tricky. These are words you're just going to have to memorize. So in knot, it has a silent K at the beginning. Calf has a silent L towards the end. Rhino has a silent H towards the beginning. Castle has a silent T in the middle. Comb has a silent B at the end. And wren has a silent W in the beginning. All right, let's get our arms up and ready to sound out our word. It's just one this time. So this word is wrap. And it has a silent W at the beginning. That's why we didn't make any sound when we sounded out the beginning part. This word wrap is like to wrap a present. Put paper around it. I'm going to show you how to spell 2 of our spelling words. The first one is lamb. Lamb. So the first sound I hear is L. Then I hear A. It's made with the letter A. Lamb. Lamb. Now lamb has a silent letter at the end. It has a silent B. Again, this is tricky. Just going to have to memorize it. The second spelling word is wrong. Wrong. So it begins with a silent W before we start with our R. And then we have ong. Ong. It's like ing, but with an O instead of an I. Wrong. That's the opposite of right. Today, I want you to practice writing your new spelling words 3 times each. The words are lamb, wrong, calf, no, like I know the answer, knew, that's I knew the answer, but I forgot it, and right. This right is like I'm going to write a word with my pencil. See? There it is. Write your spelling words.